Welcome to Welcome to Coordinate Geometry. At this video, we will going to use again application of formula to find out whether given vertices of a quadrilateral is a parallelogram or not. So let's begin. Show that points P, Q, R, S. P is 2 comma minus 2, Q is 7 and 3, R is 11 minus 1 and S is 6 minus 6 are the vertices of the parallelogram. Here the diagram is. I hope you have seen my previous video in which I had given you steps to follow to find out to prove whether the given triangle is a right angle triangle or not. Same way I would advise to write down the steps by which you will going to prove a given quadrilateral to be a parallelogram, which I will be not showing in this, I will be showing in this direct answer. So I have taken one diagram, one assumed diagram as PS, PQRS, written their coordinates. Also, as we require the coordinates in XY plane, point P has x1, y1, point Q is x2, y2, point R is x3, y3, point S is x4, y4 are the points in XY plane, the same I had mentioned in the diagram, which will help you to understand. You will not do mistake while choosing x1 value, x2 value, x3 value, x4 value. And also I have written x1 equals to 2 and y1 equals to minus 2, x2 equals to 7 and y2 equals to 3, x3 equals to 11 and y3 equals to minus 1, x4 equals to 6 and y4 equals to minus 6. All these values are given to you. So let us see how to solve them. So first, x1 equals to 2 and y1 equals to minus 2, x2 equals to 7 and y2 equals to 3. The value of PQ we will find out. We are using distance formula, so you don't need to worry. You have already used many times. Let's begin. 7 minus of minus 2. Here in the first bracket we have done substitution. Second bracket also we have done substitution. Now we are simplifying, so we get 7 minus 2, 3 plus 2. As you know, plus 2 you have got from above statement. 3 minus of minus 2 will become 3 plus 2. Further simplify, you will get 7 minus 2 whole square will become square and 3 plus 2 will become 5 square. PQ will become 25 plus 25, which will be 50. Again we will convert them into mixed, and the length of side PQ is 5 root 2. Let us take it one. Go for the next one. QR. So QR is 11 minus 7 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. You can also see that as for the coordinate, the formula is also their content, their components are replaced by the recent coordinate. That's why x2 got replaced by x3. I hope you have understood why it is done. So substitution we have completed. The second bracket we have minus 1, minus 3. Further simplifying 4, 11 minus 7 is 4. Minus 1 and minus 3 is minus 4. So you will get whole square. Further simplify 16 and 16, which will be nothing but QR equals to root 32. Hence QR will become 4 root 2 by converting them in mixed. We are taking it as second one. Let's move further. We have got PQ and QR. We have to find out SR and PS. Now we are getting here as RS, same method, x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. So RS equals to root of x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. Substitution, root of 6 minus 11 whole square plus minus 6 minus of minus 1 whole square, which further simplified 6 minus 11 square minus 6 plus 1 square, then further simplified minus 5 whole square plus of minus 5 whole square. As you know, the square of negative also become positive. So RS will be root of 25 plus 25. Therefore, RS equals to 50 and RS equals to 5 root 2 when we convert them in mixed surd form. Now we got PQ, QR, RS. One more side is left, PS. So let us find out for PS. Again same way formula, substitution, simplification. 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 6 and minus of minus 2 will become plus. So when we simplify 4 square plus minus 4 square, as you know, the square of a negative number is also positive. So 16 plus 16 will become 32, which in a mixed form will become 4 root 2. We have got the length of all the sides. We have got length of all the sides. So we'll write down here PQ equals to 5 root 2, QR equals to 4 root 2, RS is 5 root 2 and SP is 4 root 2. All the side length we have. Now we will see PQ is 5 root 2, RS is 5 root 2. So the opposite side of a quadrilateral is PQ equals to RS equals to 5 root 2. Similarly, QR equals to SP equals to 4 root 2. We have got both the pair of opposite sides equal. Therefore, what we can say, when the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, so what they are? The quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Is it clear? So that's why we have find out the value of all the four sides to check it out whether all the four sides in that opposite sides are equal or not, because then only we can decide whether the quadrilateral is a parallelogram or not. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have understood it. If you have understood it, please share with your friend so that they can also understand the complicated sum. Thank you.